ang Sunshare, ang ginagawa namin is we allow yung mga solar panel owners natin to share their excess electricity ngayon sa community. Kasi right now, ang nangyari is yung mga solar panel owners nagja-generate na extra electricity pero nasasayang yung electricity na yan. So we want to give away na why not sell it to the community for, let's say, a cheaper price compared sa green. Let's say may isang solar panel na owner. So ang gagawin niya ngayon is they'll buy our smart meters, tapos i-install dun sa bahay ng owner, and then lalagyan ng wiring yung mga from the owner to the neighbors na gustong magkaroon ng access to that electricity. Target namin yan is magkaroon ng isang subdivision para sa pilot testing ng Sunshare. Actually, natetest na ngayon sa Baguio. So, around Luwakan area siya. Sa isang neighborhood. So, right now, I think yung bill ng neighbor is nakatipid daw siya ng 300 pesos by using Sunshare. Seeing na yung ginawa mong solution or product is nagagamit ng community, and then happy yung community, satisfied yung community about that one thing or idea that you made. I think yun yung success sa akin. Not really... Siyempre, kailangan ng revenue, but not solely on the revenue itself, but also to the mission, to the impact that you give to the community.